Okay, so this is part 2 of making holiday slime. The first one just ended on us randomly. So we're just going to resume where we left off. Well, where it left off. Haley making her Easter slime.
And it's actually finished, I think. So I'm just going to have it in the bowl, get all the it out. Perfect!
So,
I really like it.
So as you can see,
it's a lot of air bubbles.
Yeah.
So it's really white, but it will be clean if I let it sit.
Okay, so I would definitely use this recipe for making clear slime. I mean, it worked out really good, as you can see from both of our slimes. 4th of July and Easter. Thanks for watching.
You had New Year's.
What did I say?
You said 4th of July and you had New Year's.
New Year's,
it
sorry.
It looks like 4th of July.
It does look like 4th of July. New Year's and Easter. So, thanks for watching, guys. And please subscribe to my channel. Bye.